In this lecture, we will look at this story problem. This question says that a storage tank for propane gas is to be constructed in the shape of a right circular cylinder of altitude 30 feet. So this cylinder, the altitude is 30 feet. Here is 30. Means from here, the top, to this part. So we know the height, altitude, 30 feet. With the hemisphere attached to each end. You see hemisphere, this end and this end. So each end is a hemisphere. Then you probably agree those two, if they put together, should be the whole sphere. Okay, so it's like a ball. Alright. And then we want to determine the radius x. The radius is from the center to the side. Determine the radius x so that the resulting value is 729 pi square feet. They have a 729 pi. This pi here is for us to get a good result. Okay. Now, you want to know, to recall the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, the formula was what? Pi radius squared times height. Okay, that would be pi times x squared times height is 30. And you also want to recall volume of sphere. You see, again, each end is hemisphere, together is a ball. So the volume of sphere has the formula pi over 3 pi r radius x cubed. And we don't know this x. That's the same x you see down here. So we want to figure out. And we know the volume of cylinder. Let me put the constant at the front. So that would be the sum of volumes. Sum of volumes is this one plus this one. So that would be 30 x squared pi. 30 x squared pi plus here is 4 over 3 pi x cubed altogether equals this value, 729 pi. Now you know that here we have a pi, we can cancel it, right? By what? You know, if you remember the formula, the property, you can what? Each side can be divided by pi, so you can cancel that. Okay. Now let me rewrite this one more time. This x cubed, this is x squared. I like to put this one at the front. Okay, so that will be 4 over 3 x squared is this one. Pi disappeared. And here plus 30 x squared. And then, you know, 729 if both sides minus 729 minus 729, and then you will see those two will cancel each other. So the right hand side is going to be 0. Left hand side you have a 729. Remember there is no x term here. Cube term x squared. This one is a little bit hard to find out. Okay, of course you can use what the irrational roots, those things, and then find out the roots for x. But here let me give you another way by using the definition, by using the calculator. First, you know, you want to set up the correct window size. And here the window size is negative 50. Let me put it right here as a window size. Window size. Okay. X is from negative 50 to 30. This is a little bit tricky. And Y is negative 1000 to 1500. Yeah, this is the tricky part. You may wonder why. You know, we know the feet, 30. Then we think probably x should be less than 30. Okay, so that's why the maximum is 30. Minimum is negative 50. You know, basically you can choose negative 30. But I wanted to choose a little bit far away from negative 30. And then here is negative 1000, and here is 1500. The reason is like y is like this. You know, you want to do is second calculation, and then you have a value here. You may press 1 or you press enter. If you plug in 30, you know it gets 62,000 something. So then the right end, you know, instead of choose 62,000, you think probably that's too big. Let's make it smaller. So I meant right here is that don't choose 150 or 15, those numbers. It has to be something close to this number. So it's like maybe a quarter of this number. Right hand side, the biggest Y, and on the top. And then below is a similar reason. Okay, so window size. After you got this window size, then you want to input the graph, input the equation. So you want to input the equation right here is 4 over 3 x cubed plus 30x squared minus 729 equals 0. Okay, here is the function, so you don't put equals 0 there. Here is the equation, so you put equals 0. You just need to input this one. That's the reason we need to minus 729 on both sides. This positive number comes to be negative right here. Okay, after you get there, you will do by using your calculator. Okay, that will be what? Second calculation. So let me write it down here. You want to do second quit. So calculator step. You want to do second quit. Second quit. It is screen. If it's not clear, see, you have to clear it. Okay. After that, you do second calculation. You may choose value or choose 0. 0. Choose 0. You press number 2. Okay. And then you may do is the left bound. They ask you the left bound. Those two are negatives, so you don't want that. Okay, you want is greater than 0, or you may choose 0, so you may shift. You see this cursor. Where is the left bound? Yeah, you see the number is changing. Okay, hold it, goes faster. Okay, yeah, so you see the left bound negative. You may choose left bound. Yeah. Here I chose was negative 0.638 something. And then you enter. Okay, and similarly you can do the right bound. Okay, you see you move this cursor as long as it goes above that flash cursor, and you know is 0 on the right hand side of this 0. Okay, so you do right bound. What I chose right here is 6.17 something, 0, and then you enter. After you hit enter, they ask you to guess. Why do we need to guess? hit the enter one more time. Then you have 4.5. Okay. So this will be the final answer. All right. Yeah. And make sure you know those formula. And then you have the correct equation. Make sure this one positive comes to be negative. Input this one into your calculator. The window size is a tricky part. And then calculator steps to find 0. 4.5 is the 0 point. And then this will be the answer we wanted. Okay, right here. Okay, I'll see you